Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new pool home listing for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3044 South Jamaica. This one was just listed a couple days ago for $614,900, literally 2 houses away from the video that I did yesterday. This sits on a pretty decent corner lot, 11,800 square feet. It has a vacant lot next door to it. You can see the water boxes there representing the property line. Plenty of side RV boat type parking, especially if you take a couple of the palm trees out. Again, it is on Jamaica, so you know, it could be considered a busy street for us anyway, but as you can see, there's no cars on it. So this one does have curb and gutter, and it backs to a wash, so you could actually park something on the side here as well, on the side street side. So you have this little pony wall out front. It is stucco to grade, so you can see the stucco erosion where it hits the ground. It's pretty common. With a tile roof. Let's go on in and check it out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1994, 1,586 square feet. Just came on the market at $614,900. Nice open floor plan, dual sliders out to the backyard pool area. You have tile floor all the way to the front kitchen. You have your little informal dining area. Laminate counters, stainless appliances, reverse osmosis at your sink. So this does have a split floor plan, and the master's on one side and the other bedrooms are on the other side, and there is a junior master suite on the other side. There is a slider out to the backyard pool area. There is carpet in here, but it's not too bad. I guess this house was very seldom used by snowbirds. It only came like 5 times a year. Needs a little updating, but it's not too bad. Solid surface counters in the main master with dual sinks. Typical double door slider for your walk-in shower. Tall ceilings in here, vaulted ceilings in the rest of the house. Your little walk-in closet. So on the other side of the house, you have a junior master suite at the back of the house. No access to the pool area, but again, not a big deal to add in a slider. Here's your little junior master suite bath, solid surface counters, same shower setup. And another little walk-in closet. And down the hall you have your guest bath. Solid surface on this one as well. Skylight. There's a lot of natural light in this house. Lots of skylights and big windows. And at the front of the house you have the 3rd guest bedroom. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. Walk-in closet in here. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool area. So back off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry and a double folding door pantry, and your access to the garage. You have a pretty decent garage. This house is on natural gas, by the way, which is a huge bonus here. 3-car garage, both doors are insulated. You have a 33-foot bay and a 24-foot bay, and probably another little kick out that they didn't mention. Pretty good size. Looks like they're in the middle of moving. So if you see those vents right there, looks like maybe they had a swamp cooler in there at one time. We don't really warrant swamp coolers out here because they go out so often and aren't really used that much anymore. You have your water heater on natural gas, soft water, all your cable runs and irrigation runs, and a reverse osmosis system, and a door out to the backyard pool area. All right, so off one of the sliders out of the living area to the backyard pool area, you have a covered patio that's pretty long. You have the old style drywall cap on the ceiling here, so these don't really last very long, and they don't do them anymore just because of this reason. When it gets monsoony and there's some moisture in the air, the drywall is not really an outdoor application, so you start seeing the tape and it pops. Now they do, like backer board with stucco, but it's an easy fix, just a maintenance thing. So the pool has pop-up cleaners, definitely needs an acid wash, looks original. Don't see too much damage. There's a couple little pops on the first step right there. So at some point you might want to do a replaster. Also looks like there's some pops at the very, very bottom of the pool where the plaster's popping. Again, our pool plaster out here lasts about 7 to 10 years if you take good care of it and do your water changes regularly. There is also a freestanding spa and a little utility building out here. So it looks like they have the old style dual system on the roof. So the big one is the air conditioner and the other one is a swamp cooler, and they basically feed into the same ductwork, but they don't really do that anymore. It's actually more efficient to run a newer AC now. Backs to a little bit of a wash. Doesn't look like it runs much. Getting a typical pool deck popping on the concrete, which is again why they don't do concrete pool deck anymore, really. Have your pool equipment. Looks like it's heated. A little bit older. Here's that vacant lot next door. So here's your gated side RV boat parking, and that in fact was or is a swamp cooler feeding the garage. It might or might not work. It's cheap enough just to put mini split AC units in these nowadays. There's your man door out of the garage. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Jamaica. Again, this one was just listed the other day for $614,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.